is necessary. It's very pressing for us to retake the power again as in the past. It can be deferred. It is time to change. It begins a new rebellion process from the underground to happiness. Yes, it's necessary.